When matrix A is given, then we have to evaluate a square minus 3a plus 2 into I. You can see the letter I. I is representing what? A unit matrix. And what is a unit matrix? Unit matrix is always like this. It's on order of 2 here, so it means it will be 1 0 0 1. Diagonally it will be 1 here, this way. So this is unit matrix. Okay, remember this. So we have to first get a square, then find 3a, then 2i, 2 times I, and then add them or subtract them, in fact evaluate them. So first we'll find out a square. So how do we find a square? I'll write here a is I'm writing it here, 2 minus 1 minus 1 3, and again put a, what, 2 minus 1 minus 1 3. We'll multiply these two and this will give a square. So a square is this row into this column. So it will be 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 1. Then I will multiply the same row with the next column, this one. It will be 2 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 3. Below that, we'll repeat this process with the next one. So we'll write this row will multiply with this column. It will be minus 1 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1. And here I will multiply this row with the next column. So minus 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into 3. So this will give you 2 into 2 4, minus into minus 1 is minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, so plus 1. 2 into minus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, and minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, and this will give you plus 1. Okay, sorry, minus 2 here and minus 3. This will give you plus 1 and plus 9. So what do we get? We get 5 minus 5 minus 5 and 10. Okay, so this is the matrix that we have got for a square. We'll keep that. Now we have to find 3a. So I have to find directly, we can find it out. A square minus 3a plus 2 unit matrix is what? I'll put it here. This is 5 minus 5 minus 5 and 10, and then 3 minus 3a. So minus 3 into a. So what is a in it? Same thing. I'll put it here, which is there, which is 2 minus 1 minus 1 3. And then we have to find 2i. So plus 2i is what? 1 0 0 1. So let's solve it now. This will give you 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 10. You have to solve this first. So minus 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Here 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 0 is 0 0 2. Okay, Now we'll add subtract. So it will be 5 minus 6 plus 2. Okay. And this will be minus 5 minus 3 and plus 0. Okay, we made a mistake. So always put the bracket. That is always important one for you. That's the reason we could not do this is not correct. See, we'll write it in bracket always. So first one is 5 in bracket and minus 6 in bracket, because this minus is this, I put minus here, and this is plus, I will put plus, and 2 here in bracket. And this will be, next one will be here. Next is minus 5 in bracket and then minus 3. Okay, it's minus here and in bracket minus 3 and plus 0. Okay, see here we have to put the bracket minus, let me put a bigger bracket, minus bracket and plus bracket, remember the bracket part, and bracket minus bracket and plus bracket, fill it up, minus 5 minus 3 and 0, here 10 9 and 2. Now we'll solve it. Open the bracket, 5 minus 6 plus 2, here minus 5 and minus into minus is plus, we'll put it, so we should not skip any step, so plus 3 and plus is 0, here minus 5 minus into minus plus 3 and plus 0, here 10 minus 9 plus 2. So what do we get? 5 minus 6 is minus 1 and plus 2 is 1. 5 minus 3, minus 5 and 3 is minus 2 is here minus 2. And this will also give you minus 2. And this will give you 10 minus 9 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 1 plus 2 is 3. So did we get the answer? Yes, we have got the answer. This should be the answer here. This is a square minus 3a plus 2